The Make Your Plan module helps users prepare for, respond to, and recover from an emergency situation. Users can use the module to upload important documents, add emergency contacts, set emergency meeting places, share their safety status, get preparedness tips and information tailored to their location and unique needs, and much more. While each user must complete their own profile within the app to receive some of the tailored content available, such as with the emergency supply kit, admins must also set certain values and identify specific hazards from within the portal. Start by setting the values for the emergency supply kit section. Setting values in each supply kit category provides users with their very own personalized list of emergency supplies based on their unique needs that they have set up in their app profile. If you do not specify any values, the default ones will be applied. First, select Make Your Plan from the menu on the left and choose Emergency Supply Kit from the left-hand column. Select Edit in the top right corner to make changes to the default values. Adjust the values for each category, if necessary, by using the up and down arrows, and click Save in the top right corner. And you're done! Your changes will automatically be displayed within the Emergency Kit section of the Make Your Plan app module. If at any point you'd like to restore the amounts you've entered to the original default settings, simply select the three dots in the top right corner and click Restore Defaults. If you'd like to discard your current changes, select the three dots in the top right corner and click Discard Changes. Then select Discard in the pop-up window to confirm your selection. Now all your changes should be removed. The next step is to select which hazards are most likely to occur in your area. This will help tailor the information in the app even more. First, select possible hazards from the left-hand column. Then check the boxes next to the hazards that are most likely to happen in your area. The user will only see the selected hazards in the app. Then click Save in the top right corner. The selected hazards will automatically be displayed for users within the Respond and Recover sections of the Make Your Plan app module. Did you forget to add a hazard? Do you need to remove one? Not a problem. Simply click Edit in the top right corner, make your changes, and click Save to automatically update the hazards in your app.